Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In last class we were discussing how to set alignment of the text and how to increase the space between the line. Okay. Today we will see about paragraph spacing and bullets and number list. Okay. So let's start with paragraph spacing. So sometimes we need to add extra space, delete or reduce the space between the paragraph of a document. Sometimes according to our desire we need to increase and decrease the space between the paragraph. Okay, and that we can do. For that we have to follow following step which is given here. Here you can see. So step number 1, first let me read out the step, then I will show you the practical. Select the paragraph. Step number 2, place the cursor at the beginning of the paragraph. Step number 3, click home button. Step number 4, click an arrow button located at the right bottom of the paragraph group. Step number 5, the paragraph window appears on the screen. Step number 6, under spacing, click up or down arrow to adjust the distance before or after the paragraph and click OK. Okay. Now let me show you the practical. So this is the document and here only I want to increase the space between the paragraph. Okay, clear? As you can see, this is the first paragraph and this is the second paragraph, and here we have some space between the paragraph. Suppose you want to increase this, what you have to do? First select this paragraph as you can see on the screen. Okay, then click on home tab. If it is not selected, by default here it is showing selected. Okay, then come to the paragraph group. Here you will see the arrow symbol, just click on that. Then you will get one window, as you can see, paragraph window. Now come to the spacing option. Here we have the spacing option. Here we have two boxes, before and after. Okay, before and after, and each box having two arrow symbol. Okay, this arrow help us to increase and this decrease. Okay, same way this help us to increase and this help us to decrease. Okay, so if you increase in before box, then this space will increase. That means before the paragraph. Okay, and if you increase in after box, then this space will increase. That means after this paragraph, whatever space is there, that will be increased. Okay, so here you can see in before box I have set 60 pt and in after box I have set 108 pt. Now I am going to, finally we supposed to click on this OK. Okay, now I am going to click OK and you see the result what is happening. Okay, now you can see upside also you can see space increase, and between the paragraph also you can see space increase. Clear? So this is how we can increase the space according to our desire. Now let me show you once again. First select the paragraph, then click on home tab, then come to the paragraph group. Then here we have arrow option, just click on that. Okay, then come to the spacing option. Here we have two box. Suppose I want to increase now this space after this paragraph. That means this is whatever space here you can see, that space suppose I want to increase now. Then where I should increase? In after box. Okay, now I am going to set it as 90. Okay, as you can see on the screen. Then finally we supposed to click on OK button. Okay, now you can see the gap between the paragraph. Understood? So this is the use of paragraph spacing. Clear to you? Now next we have bullets and number list. Now what is bullets here? The bullet is a small graphic symbol. This question may come in your exam, so please learn what is bullets. The bullet is a small graphic symbol that is generally used to list the item. So this helps us to list the item. Okay, this helps us to list the item. There are different symbols in bullets library to use as bullets. Okay, to apply bullets to existing text, perform these steps. Now let me read out the step, then I'll show you the practical. Select the text. This is step number 1. Step number 2, click bullets in the paragraph group. Step number 3, select the bullet style from the option available. Thus the selected text will be appear in the list now. Now let me show you the use of bullets. So this is the document, and here we have list of fruit. Okay. Now this is not in a proper manner. Suppose you want to make the list. Here I have written list of fruit and I want to make one list of fruit. Okay, what you have to do, just select the text, then come to the paragraph group. Here you can see that is in home tab. Okay, paragraph group, then here we have bullets option. Okay, bullets option, just click on this arrow button, then you will get list of bullets. Now according to your desire you can choose the bullets. Suppose I am going to choose this one. Now you can see how it is looking. Okay, this is how we can modify the content according to our desire, so that we can easily understand the content. Okay, so this is the use of bullet. Let me show you once again. First, type the text, then select the text, then come to the paragraph group, then click on this bullets, then here you will get the bullet list. Out of that you have to choose according to your desire. Suppose I want this one. Now I am going to choose this one. Now you can see the change. Clear? Now suppose you want to use some technical thing. That means 1, 2, 3 number. I am talking about number or alphabets or Roman number in place of bullets. Then what you have to do, same way, type the text, select the terms or select the content, then come to the paragraph group, and just right side of bullet we have numbering option. As you can see on the screen, this is the numbering option. Just click on this arrow button, then you will get the list of format. Here we have the list of format. Here you can see 1, 2, 3. Here also we have 1, 2, 3 including bracket. Then Roman number we have, then alphabet we have, capital and small both. Okay, so according to your desire you can choose any one. Okay, right now I am going to choose this one. Now you can see the change. Now you can see. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like this you can give the number. Okay, so what you have to do, let me show you once again. First, type the text, then select all the text, then come to the paragraph group, then just right side of bullets option we have numbering option. Just click on this arrow button, then we will get list of formats. Okay, list of formats. Okay, now according to our desire we can choose any one. Suppose I am going to choose this one now. See, A, B, C, D, E, F. This is how we can make the list using bullets and number. Clear to you? So children, today whatever I have discussed with you, I hope each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.